Today I'm going to show you how to build a DIY plant cooler out of some nice Western Red Cedar. So let's get to work. For the complete step-by-step process and all the measurements, go visit the link in the description below and check out my blog.
All right, got my boards all milled up. We're ready to start assembling. So my first one is going to be the tall one. This is going to be the centerpiece. Everything else is going to be built around. And basically the way I'm putting this together is got miters on every corner. We're going to assemble this. We're going to glue the joints. This piece will go on top. Going to glue with Titebond III. It's an exterior wood glue. Great glue for this use. And then we are going to pin it with 18 gauge stainless steel nails because this is cedar and it is going outside, so you need some stuff that is going to last outside. So let's get to work assembling. This is the first piece that has to be assembled. Then you can assemble the other pieces, which are all three-sided, and they're going to all back up into this. So let's see how it turns out. I've got all of the pieces built. These are all separate right now. But so what I've done is I've got three sides here. I've got my little platform, and this is what's going to hold the dirt. And this is going to be up against here, so it's going to seal in there. So all three of these are three-sided pieces. They're all nailed and glued. And now I just need to clean them up, do some sanding, and then I'm going to show you how I attach everything. But overall, this is the general design that I'm going for, this layout, this kind of stepped effect. And what we're going to do, I'll show you at the end, a surprise for how this is going to work to feed into these two. So it should be really fun. So now it's time for, as usual, a ton of sanding. Yay!
With all this tedious sanding and filling, my mind began to drift back to my childhood years working with my dad. Man, those were the days.
Scott! Let's go, Slowpoke!
Maybe not. Oh well, back to work, I guess. I was so excited with how this turned out. I want to give a special shout out to my friends at Cabot for their Australian timber oil, which just makes this Western Red Cedar look so good. When it's hot out there, having a cold drink with this self-watering DIY plant cooler, it's just a blast, and I hope you're going to build one for yourself too. While you're here, check out some of these other great DIY projects and slap that subscribe button.